Hello on my channel. Today I have a recipe for delicious pork neck rolls with sauerkraut and bacon. This delicious dish can be prepared for an everyday dinner or for a family gathering. It is perfect for it. Definitely try it. The meat is very soft and very aromatic. I am presenting a list of necessary ingredients. You can find the same list in the description under the video. I also added a link to the blog under the video where you will find all my recipes. At first, fry 200 g of raw bacon cut into cubes in a dry pan. Fry until the bacon is browned, then add 1 small chopped onion and 300 g of sauerkraut. The sauerkraut was not cooked before. It is just finely chopped, and now we will fry whole until this cabbage also starts to brown a bit. Fry it, we don't wait for it to be soft. It will stew later in the roulades and it will be soft. Now we just wait for it to be fried. I fry it for a good few minutes. The cabbage is fried. It has started to brown slightly. I season the whole thing with pepper if you need it. You can season it with salt if necessary. But here the cabbage is salty, so is the bacon, so I don't add it. It's already properly salty for me. I mix everything together, and the thicker ones, then we break them up. I season them here only with salt and pepper. And now we spread each slice of pork neck with mustard. I just happen to have honey, but it can be any one you like, the one you have at home, and we put on the prepared cooled stuffing. Now I'm rolling up our pork neck rolls. I also roll up these sides. I also put them into Thanks to this, our stuffing won't fall out, and this is how I roll up each roulade. You can also tie them with a string or secure them with a toothpick so they won't come apart during frying. We do this with each piece of meat. Next, we coat the prepared roulades in flour. Coat them on each side and fry them until they're a strong golden brown on each side in oil or lard, depending on your preference. Once the meat is fried on each side, pour in water or broth to half the height of the meat. Add allspice and bay leaf, and if you like, a tablespoon of soy sauce for a more pronounced flavor and darker color. Simmer everything for about an hour or until tender. Turn the roulades over from time to time. At the end, you can thicken the sauce with a little flour or add some cream if you prefer. I also added freshly chopped dill to it at the end. Season the sauce with salt or pepper if needed, and you have a delicious dinner ready. It's really easy to make and it's delicious. Give it a try. Maybe some of you have already made it. If so, leave a review under the video. Thank you for watching today. I wish you a wonderful day. Best regards and see you soon.